Wonderful. Good morning and welcome. Thank you, ma'am, for introducing me to the students. मेरा नाम मयंक माथुर है. मैं आज हिंदी, इंग्लिश और गुजराती में बातचीत करूंगा, बोलूंगा, कोशिश करूंगा जो भी मैंने सीखा है, समझा है, आप लोग के साथ में शेयर करने का. थोड़े बहुत मैं आपको कुछ विजुअल्स भी दिखाऊंगा. मकसद विजुअल्स दिखाने का ये है कि आप लोग एंग्रॉस्ड रहें और सीखें. फर्स्टली आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू जीएसएफसी यूनिवर्सिटी. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. इट्स अ वंडरफुल educational establishment being set up in this beautiful town of Vadodara. Also we are very fortunate to welcome you to this beautiful university. I am sure आप लोग जो अभी fresh school से graduate होके 12th करके आए हैं, I am sure you will have a very successful time in this beautiful place which has some wonderful experienced and educated teaching staff in the form of your professors. आप लोग already experience कर रहे होंगे. Even the management is excellent and yes, the later part is going to be much enjoyable. Well, आज जो firstly मैं आपको welcome भी करूँगा और मैं आपसे कुछ चंद छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे बात करना चाहूँगा which we as humans, which we as individuals, which we as professionals need to understand. सब्जेक्ट भी हमारा है माइंड ओवर मैटर. वी वुड हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड नोटिस्ड दैट हमारा जो ये टॉप फ्लोर बोलते हैं हम जिसको, जो हमारा ग्रे सेल्स है ऊपर, जो हमारा दिमाग है, दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज इट एम्पावर्स, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स, इट लीड्स अस टू अ होस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड वी आर सीइंग अ होस्ट ऑफ इश्यूज आल्सो व्हिच आर हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड एंड यू पीपल आर द बेस्ट पॉसिबल people to understand this because you are the future. We are there, we are into our fade or we are onto our reverse pyramid. आप लोग जो है अभी uphill हैं और आप लोग ही next generation है जिसने ये शायद देश चलाना है, जिसने दुनिया चलानी है. And you all have to be energized, you all have to be on the path. आपको एक correct path पे रहना जरूरी है. आपको एक लीडरशिप रोल में आना जरूरी है. आपको आपका जो गट है, आपका जो स्ट्रेंथ है, उसको दर्शाना जरूरी है सो दैट आपके बाद की जनरेशन भी अच्छे से आगे बढ़ती रहे. Great. So I will just go ahead. Thanks. It's right. So what आज जो मैं I will just try and talk on 4 different topics. So what it talks about mental well-being and resilience, motivation in adversity, human spirit and success and discipline. जो आपकी mental well-being है, आप लोग ने हम लोग काफी लोगों ने अपने बोर्ड एग्जाम दिए होंगे, 10th का दिया होगा, 12th का दिया होगा, हो सकता है पैंडेमिक के कारण ना भी दिया हो for whatever reasons. Current pandemic has been a stress for all of us. काफी सारे लोग हमारे निकट में, हमारे फ्रेंड सर्कल में, रिलेशन में हमने उनको खोया. सेकेंड वेव में, थर्ड वेव हमारे डोर्स नॉक कर रही है. वी आर ऑल अवेयर अबाउट दिस न्यू वेरिएंट. वी आर ऑल्सो अवेयर अबाउट अ ब्लास्ट. देयर हैज बीन सम 12,000 केसेस इन बॉम्बे, जस्ट बॉम्बे यस्टरडे. परसों 6,000 थे, कल 12,000 केसेस हैं. बड़ौदा एंड गुजरात. एंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज इट इज नॉकिंग ऑन आवर डोर्स. We are all under a lot of stress. We are under immense mental stress. Mental stress में आप लोगों ने शायद 12वीं ऑनलाइन बैठ के किया है. एक 1.5 साल से आप लोग ऑनलाइन ही चल रहे हैं. This is a very fortunate moment कि आप लोग यहाँ पे आ पाए हैं. फ्यूचर का अभी भी हमें पता नहीं, हो सकता है लॉकडाउन हो जाए, हो सकता है जो भी हो जाए. Whatever it is, there is a lot of mental stress. Mental stress को आपके जीवन के साथ में लेके चलना, साथ में पढ़ाई भी करना, साथ में एक अच्छा जवाबदार इंडिविजुअल भी बनना एंड प्लस उसके साथ साथ अपना करियर भी बनाना इज अ वेरी वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड एक मॉड्यूल है, एक इकोसिस्टम है जिसमें आप लोग को ढालना है. कल तक आप बच्चे थे, जैसे आप यूनिवर्सिटी में आते हैं आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ जाती है, आप एक एडल्ट कैटेगरी में आ गए. यू आर ऑल नाउ 18 प्लस. A few of you must be turning 18. But very soon you are all going to be 18, you are going to be into a voting stage, you will be allowed officially as per constitutional rights to vote. Automatically from a child you all are now young adults and trying to make your career, trying to prove to your family members that you are worth, trying to get more knowledge from this particular establishment of education and to become a good human being. कैसे क्या क्या छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, we'll just have a look today. Intention आप लोगों को ज्ञान देना नहीं है, ज्ञान सबके हाथ में है. You have mobiles, right? You Google and you get all the possible ज्ञान. What we're going to be talking is small things. You heard ma'am talking about, yes, I come from the defense forces. I have been in the army for about 14-15 years. I was my last rank in the army was a major, and yes, I am a veteran of the Kargil war as well. I'll show you small little things. I try and link up those things with your day-to-day life. How it is so important, कितना जरूरी है आपकी मानसिक स्तर को संतुलन में, कंट्रोल में रख के अगले लेवल पे जाना, right? And how do you gather up yourself? कितने सारे लोगों ने घर में कोई निकटतम लोग को खोया. You lost, we lost friends, we lost relatives. उस टाइप की एडवर्सिटी में अपने आप को गैदर करके अगले कदम पे जाना is not easy. People, you know, they face mental breakdowns, they get into depressions. You also know the suicidal rates in the country are on all-time high. Why is it happening? Where are these problems? You need to understand. And why are we going to be? I am not a doctor, neither I am a psychologist. No, I am none. I am a trained engineer and a trained army soldier, right? And from Baroda as well. I am a Barodian. ગુજરાતી માં વાત કરું છું અને અહીંનો વાસી છું, વતની છું વડોદરાનો, right? Very much a Barodian, very much a trained person like you all are going to be. Yes, I did my engineering some 27-29 years back. That does not matter. But how do you gather yourself in an adversity wherein you have pressure, wherein you have professors ka pressure, ghar ka pressure? How do you come out of it to become a successful human being? We'll just see small things and we'll also see a small little video. Mental health की बात करता है. It is quite likely people in around you may not be facing issues. If at all you find a friend, if at all you find a relative into such kind of a thing, how do you come out of it? So what it says is mental health is defined as a successful performance of mental function which results into productive activities, and also it helps you out, you know, in what? Ability to change. आपका change हो रहा है from a school education you are getting into a higher education, a university education. आपका पूरा पढ़ने का जो तरीका है पूरा बदल रहा है, आपके सब्जेक्ट्स बदल रहे हैं. अभी तक आपने बहुत ही जेनरिक सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़े हैं. Now you are getting into specialization. It's not easy to study specialization, by the way. Yes, you have to adapt your mindset. आपको अपने दिमाग का पढ़ने का जो तरीका है वो बदलना है, समझने का तरीका बदलना है. स्कूल एजुकेशन तक स्पून फीडिंग होती थी, आपको चम्मच में डाल के दिया जाता था, आप लोग हजम करते थे क्योंकि आप बच्चे थे. सडनली विद इन नो टाइम आप बड़े हो गए. यहाँ पे आपको स्पून फीडिंग नहीं किया जाएगा. यू विल बी असिस्टेड टू स्टडी. द टीचर्स विल नॉट स्पून फीड यू, दे विल असिस्ट यू. वो आपको असिस्ट करेंगे. आप पीजी में जाएंगे, यू आर एट पार विद द टीचर. You will have collaborative study. आप डॉक्टरेट में जाएंगे, you are probably better than the guide. Guide is just giving you the path. You will take the path on your own. So that is how you are transitioning from a school level spoon feeding to assisted education now, right? What it says is, and also the mental health, it teaches you to cope with adversity. हाँ, मैं अगर फेल हुआ इसका ये मतलब नहीं मेरी दुनिया खत्म हो गई. उसने मुझे एक चीज सिखाई है कि मुझे अच्छा कैसे करना है. मेरे घर में अगर किसी की डेथ हुई है या मेरे निकट में मेरे नेबरहुड में किसी की डेथ हुई है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं डर जाऊं. मुझे अगर कोविड हो गया है, मैं पॉजिटिव हुआ, मुझे कोई और टाइप का इंफेक्शन हो गया है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं मेरी दुनिया खत्म हो गया. आई नीड टू फाइट. यू वुड ऑल हैव हैड सीन जो इंसान घबरा गया था कोविड के टाइम पे, दे पास्ड अवे. कि હવે મારું શું થશે, હવે તો મને કોવિડ થઈ ગયું છે, મને ઓક્સિજન જોઈશે, હું તો મરી જઈશ. Just get out of that mindset. कुछ नहीं होगा किसी को. provided you are strong here. This top floor controls you. आपको पता है ना, आप पलक झपकते हो, चलते हो, हाथ यहाँ से ऊपर लेके जाते हो, नीचे लेके आते हो, whatever you do is controlled here, right? This top floor is your supercomputer. Keep your supercomputer strong. That's what we are going to be seeing today. Maintaining good mental health and well-being requires resiliency. What is being resilient? Yes, can you tell me with the blue mask? Sorry, अब आजकल हम पहले बोलते थे black t-shirt, अब हम बोलते हैं blue mask. Sorry for that. Yes, please. बैठो. What is resiliency? What is resilient? मैं बहुत एक resilient इंसान हूँ. इसका क्या मतलब है? What do you understand by that? Any idea? Anybody? What is resiliency? Yes, please.
Bouncing back from a situation.
Bouncing back from a situation. जो कुछ भी गड़बड़ हुआ है, लोचा हुआ है, उसमें से वापस निकल के सक्सीड करना इज रेजिलियंसी. ऑल ऑफ यू आर रेजिलियंट बिकॉज आई कैन वाउच फॉर इट. A few of you would have suffered COVID, yes or no? Yes. You have bounced back out of that situation. Second wave was disastrous. Anybody and everybody was positive, right? We have come out of that situation. आप लोग ने उसी सिचुएशन में 12वीं किया. कम से कम आप लोग 2-2 साल से ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं, right? It's not easy to study in that fashion. Even a lot of students of the second year batch now in GSFC University have been online. It's not easy neither for you nor for parents nor for the teachers. You are all resilient. You are already resilient. Bounce back karna. Amazing definition. What it says is, if you look at, okay, this is not working. Nevertheless, so what it says is maintaining good mental health and well-being requires resilience and adaptability. आपको एक नए सिचुएशन में अडेप्ट होना है, आपको अपने माइंडसेट को इंटीग्रेट करना है. ये सब जो सेशंस हुए यहाँ पे पिछले 10-12 दिन से, मैं भी शिवानी मैम से बात कर रहा था. You have heard people of repute, people of the repute of Geeta Ben Goradia, who has been amazing entrepreneur for this town of Baroda. You're going to be listening to an amazing gentleman in the second half. The DCP comes and talks to you, and you've got some lovely speakers who have come in the past and spoken to you. ये आपको क्यों दिखाया जा रहा है, क्यों बातचीत करी जा रही है? क्योंकि हर एक इंसान आके अपने व्यू पॉइंट को शेयर कर रहा है. I think you have also heard Jay Vasawada, right? He is an amazing orator. He speaks outstanding. Why is he gotten here? So that आप लोग सीखें that you are now a young adult. You are no more a child wearing a school uniform. You are now going to be learning something different, which is going to be shaping up your lives. Right? This is why this kind of a session is being organized to adapt you from school education to being a university student. Right? Great. On that note, let me go further. It talks about resiliency here. So my friend sitting therein just mentioned about resiliency is the capacity to establish and maintain one's balance and well-being in face of adversity. Adversity, yes, current adversity is pandemic. Adversity can also be spoken about. Your anything going wrong, floods in the town, any kind of a calamity happening is also a disastrous situation. You have to be resilient. And what is the result of not being resilient? अगर आप resilient नहीं हैं तो क्या होगा? कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ होगा, which will lead to a disastrous situation. Please be strong. This is not the end of the world. Pandemic is not the end of the world. Be mentally strong. If you are mentally strong, nothing will go wrong. Yes. Attend to medical advices. डॉक्टर बोल रहा है, आप उसको सुनिए, बट यहां से तो स्ट्रांग रहिए. डॉक्टर कुछ नहीं कर सकता अगर आप इधर से दिमाग से वीक हैं. राइट? You get my point? Great. Let me go ahead and show you certain other things. What I have learned to be mentally strong is, मैं अगर खुश होता हूं बहुत ज्यादा, so मैं दौड़ने जाता हूं. I go for a run or I go to bike. मैं अपनी साइकिल चलाता हूं. When I am very tired, I again go for a run. When I am completely depressed or things are हर एक दिन अच्छा नहीं होता. When I am not just good mentally, I go for a run. When I am unable to sleep in the night, I get up and go for a run in front of my house. I stay on Godri Road and I run there. Why? What does running do? Running involves all your blood vessels, muscles of the body. They get exercised. When I say running, I am not sprinting like PT Usha or Carl Lewis. No, I am running at my speed. What am I doing? The blood gets circulated. The bad energy comes out in the form of sweat, and the mind which has been somewhere else. You know how many thoughts we get per day? We get almost 3,000 thoughts per day. 3,000 थॉट्स हमारे दिमाग में प्रतिदिन आते हैं. ये मेरा कैलकुलेशन ही मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था पेपर में, राइट? 3,000 थॉट्स इन अ स्पैन ऑफ 8 to 10 आवर्स. हम 10, 12 घंटे, 14 घंटे जगते हैं, बाकी हम 6-7 घंटे सोते हैं, राइट? सो अबाउट 14 घंटे, 15 घंटे में हमको 3,000 थॉट्स आते हैं पर डे. दोस थॉट्स कैन नॉट बी पॉजिटिव. वी हैव अ टेंडेंसी एज ह्यूमन बीइंग कि हमारे आधे से ज्यादा थॉट्स नेगेटिव होते हैं, राइट? वो जब नेगेटिव थॉट्स आपके पॉजिटिव थॉट्स के ऊपर आ जाते हैं, यू बिकम डाउन, यू गो डाउन. व्हेन यू गो डाउन, यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ इट. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? मैं बहुत फिलोसॉफिकल बातें नहीं कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि मैं फिलोसॉफिकल इंसान भी नहीं हूं. मैं प्रैक्टिकल इंसान हूं. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा मेरा प्रैक्टिकलिटी अभी थोड़ी देर में. बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज, प्लीज गेट आउट ऑफ ऑल दैट सो दैट यू आर रिजुवेनेटेड. यस, ये मास्क हमारी ड्रेस कोड में नहीं था 2 साल पहले तक. ये हमारा ड्रेस है अभी. जैसे हम टी शर्ट पहनते हैं, शर्ट पहनते हैं, सलवार कुर्ता पहनते हैं, मास्क अब हमारा ड्रेस है. दैट्स फाइन, दैट्स अ न्यू वे ऑफ लाइफ. हम पहले गले मिलते थे प्रोबेबली, अब हम ऐसे मिलते हैं या हम ऐसे मिलते हैं. दैट्स फाइन. वी हैव चेंज्ड, वी आर इवॉल्विंग. दैट्स जस्ट अबाउट गुड, राइट? डोंट गेट डिप्रेस्ड आउट ऑफ ऑल दैट. व्हाट इट सेज इज गुड फिजिकल हेल्थ इज गुड फॉर मेंटल हेल्थ. अगर आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ वीक है तो आपको फिजिकल हेल्थ की जरूरत है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस प्ले गेम्स हियर? ग्रेट, अ गुड proportion of you play game. You are into a very fortunate place wherein you have all the games possible. We are sitting in a very lovely township. By the way, I am born and brought up in this township. My father used to be with GSFC. I am born, brought up in this township. This township taught me how to play tennis. This township taught me how to play badminton. This township taught me how to play cricket, squash, table tennis, billiards. I learned everything in this township. All of you have access to these games. These games are rare to find in towns. They are there, but very rare to find. Please find time to play. I love to see your seniors when they are playing cricket in that new auditorium or whatever you call it. I like that, in front of SOT. Do that. Play, sweat, right? Play, sweat as much as possible. You see my screen? That's what it says. What it says is poor mental health plays a significant role in diminishing your immune as well. आप खेलेंगे नहीं, ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी इम्यूनिटी नीचे जाती है. When I say play, if you are not playing, doesn't matter. Sweat, दौड़ो आप, साइकिल चलाओ, चलो, वॉक करो, whatever you want to do physical activities. Yes. Again, we are moving back into the lockdown stage with this restriction and that restriction and I don't know how many restrictions. But don't worry, आपको एक्सरसाइज करनी तो आप घर में भी कर सकते हैं. अपार्टमेंट में रहते हैं तो सीढ़ी भी चढ़ सकते हैं. Doesn't matter. Find out time, find out place to do it and do it. Please see to it that you do something at least once in 24 hours. 24 घंटे में एक बार, कम से कम 1 घंटा. आप लोग अभी सब यंग हैं, सब 17-18 साल की एज ग्रुप में हैं. Please spend at least 1 hour on your physical means over your body to sweat, right? Great. एक इसमें लास्ट पॉइंट था, स्लीप एंड न्यूट्रिशन. मोस्ट ऑफ यू डोंट स्लीप इन द नाइट. 2-3 बजे तक गेम खेलते रहते हो आप लोग. खेलो, मना नहीं है उसमें. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. आप लोग YouTube देखते हो. यू आर अ YouTube जनरेशन बिकॉज जियो इज डूइंग ऑल द हार्म टू ऑल ऑफ अस, राइट? फ्री में डेटा देता है वो. जियो ने ये पूरी जनरेशन को वो कर दिया, वाइप आउट कर दिया, YouTube जनरेशन बना दिया. दैट्स अमेजिंग. बट स्लीप वेल. Sleep at least 8 hours a day. Exercise as well so that your top floor is energized at all points of time, right? Well, we go further. Yes, lots and lots of challenges, as I mentioned. Enough number of suicides happening, which is very, very sad to see. 14-year-old boy, 15-year-old girl just giving away their lives, It is a lifetime torture for the parents. कितने अरमानों से आपको पैदा किया and उसके बाद में for a stupid thing आपको suicidal thought आने लगता है. Suicidal thought उसी इंसान को आता है जिसका top floor weak होता है. Suicidal tendency उसी की होती है जो कोई खेलता कूदता नहीं है. मैं वो गेम खेलने की बात नहीं कर रहा मोबाइल पे. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फिजिकल, राइट? Sweating. I am talking about running. I am talking about playing some game. Whatever. I am talking about cycling. I am talking about whatever. You want to go to Kamati Park, go there. You want to take a round in JSFC township, do that. But do that. People who are not, start going down. Out of those 3,000 thoughts a day, 2,900 thoughts are negative, only 100 thoughts are positive. Obviously you are going down under pressure, and that is what I am trying to tell you. Get 2,999 positive thoughts and probably one negative thought. That is where the transformation will happen, right? Lots and lots of things. Yes, this F, substance behavior. Baroda, I should tell you, is becoming one of the largest drug abuse town in the country. Please beware. Please restrict yourselves in case you get into a kind of an offer or something. Please be aware, you are all young adults. After Punjab, which is one of the highest drug abused state, in Gujarat, Baroda is becoming the second largest after Punjab. Please be aware about it. Every nook and corner of this town, you are getting all kinds of drugs, where I don't even know the names. Some party drugs, some this and some that you get here, and you get here easily. Please be aware. Instead of having all this, run. Instead of trying to do this, exercise, play something. It will give happiness to you, it will give happiness to your parents. Make them proud. Make this university proud, make yourself a proud person, right? And see to it that you become so proud and yourself become such a good human being that you come back and stand here and talk to the next batch. That should be your endeavor, right? अपने कर्मों से आपका वो करिए. I am here, I am not a great person. No, yes, I joined army. I am a commoner like you. I joined army. Probably yes. I became one in probably 10 lakhs in Baroda. Same town. Probably 10 lakh में से मैं एक हूँगा या मैं 15 लाख में से एक हूँगा. बड़ौदा में I can count the people. So what I am telling you is, make your parents proud, make yourself a proud citizen by doing good deeds. And this substance abuse is just going crazy. It's going by a rampage in this town. Every nook and corner you get it. This is the last thing which should happen to this young generation. This energy sitting in front of me, right? Great. I go further. Yes, mental well-being and reservoir takes a while. It is talking about कि आप अपने आप को एक एनर्जी और एक नॉलेज का कुआं बनाएं, एनर्जी और नॉलेज का घड़ा बनाएं. Get the best possible things within you. Be a good human being to go ahead to the next steps. And yes, you've got some wonderful professors here, amazing set of people here to teach you. Probably I have interacted with one and all. I know each one of them. They are amazing people to guide you into the best things for life. This again is a very interesting formula. It's not mathematics. What it says is S is equal to P greater than R. What is S? S is stress. What is P? P is pressure. And R is resources. आपका stress जो है, what is it equal to? जब आपका प्रेशर रिसोर्सेज से ज्यादा हो जाएगा, जब आपको ज्यादा काम करना है, आपके पास समय कम है, जब आपको काफी सारा पढ़ना है, दिन कम है एग्जाम के लिए, आपका शायद 15 चैप्टर्स हैं और आपके पास एक ही दिन है, सो आप पे स्ट्रेस बढ़ जाता है. स्ट्रेस बढ़ जाता है तो क्या करना है? स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है. स्ट्रेस लिया कोई मतलब नहीं है. बहुत ज्यादा जब मेरे को स्ट्रेस हो जाता है तो मैं दौड़ने चला जाता हूँ, देखा जाएगा बाद में सारा, ठीक है ना, एक्सरसाइज करने चला जाता हूँ. So keep these stress levels under control. Your next 3 years, 4 years in this university are going to be full of stress. The professors here who are there in the audience are trying to shape you up so that you are able to take stress, so that you are able to become a good human being. Take stress, but take it logically, not unnecessarily, wherein you start crying, wherein you start pulling your hair, and when you start rushing here left and right. No. Calm down. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Lots of people will say lots of different things. Somebody will say I meditate, somebody will say I do different things. Those are all stress busters. I run, that's my stress buster. I exercise, that's my stress buster. But yes, I'm just sharing it with you. You may pick it up. and do not get into it, right? स्ट्रेस में जाना, डिप्रेशन में जाना एक क्यूबिकल है, एक क्लोजेट है. डोंट गेट इनटू दैट क्लोजेट. बी इनटू दिस फ्रेश एयर. दिस कैंपस गिव्स यू इनफ ऑफ फ्रेश एयर, इनफ ऑफ ट्रीज, इनफ ऑफ ग्रीनरी अराउंड. बी इनटू दैट. Do you all relate to this? Do you all relate or no? So what it says is the love story for the college students is books, notes, ye submission, wo submission. All these professors are all designed to make you a successful individual, wherein it is a mixture of content, stress, practical things, submissions, and a host of presentations and a lot of fun also. There are so many fun-filled activities which happen inside this university. You will just love every day of it. Don't take it as a back-breaking stress. No, it's not meant to back-break you off. It's meant for you to enjoy. It's meant for you to become a good all-round human being, right? Well, how do you get motivation in adversity? Let me see if this plays. I'll show you a small video and then I'll tell you what is it.
सरज़मीन हिंदुस्तान तेरे उन जानिसारों, जांबाजों, शहीदों और मुहाफिजों को सलाम है, सलाम है, सलाम है, जिन्होंने अपनी बहादुरी की कलम से फतह की एक और.
Well, that is my regiment, 139 Medium Regiment, which is also which has a war cry of Har Maidan Fateh, and this is what we did during Kargil. वो हमारे पास वो टाइम पे मोबाइल्स नहीं थे, वो हमारे पास में कुछ था नहीं. These are certain pictures. You would have seen Tiger in the previous snap, and you will also see a small little video of Barkha Dutt, which has been picked up, and my Paltan has made this video. Just go ahead, sir.
बेमिसाल तारीख होती गवाह है आज भी कारगिल की वो बुलंद चोटियां जिनको तुमने अपने लहू से सींच कर तिरंगे की आन बान और शान को रोशन कर दिया.
What you heard right behind you was the sound of Bofors guns directly
That's my
from
unit.
the top of Tiger Hill.
I was somewhere there.
To the final assault. Also going on simultaneously are multi-battled rocket launchers, also attacking the same position on Tiger Hills.
Fireballs and smoke fill the air.
कारगिल की ये विजय उस नए भारत की नींव का पत्थर है, क्योंकि इस युद्ध में बही खून की हर एक बूंद ने हमारे आज को सींचा है. वही खून प्रेरणा देता है, बढ़ो आगे, मत रुको, पूरी शक्ति सहित निर्भयता से हर असंभव पहाड़ इसी तरह जीत लो. सीने में जो भारत भूमि के प्रति प्रेम है वो प्रज्वलित हो. जब संपूर्ण विश्व के शीर्ष शिखर पर भारत का ध्वज फहराएगा, तब मेरे देशवासियों हर दिन विजय दिवस कहलाएगा.
Why am I showing this video to you? This is, by the way, this is not a YouTube video. This has been made by my unit. मेरा आपको ये दिखाने का मकसद है मोटिवेशन इन एडवर्सिटी. जब एक गोला आता है सर के ऊपर तो पता नहीं चलता है दौड़ना है कि क्या करना है, राइट? और ये बोफोर्स गन्स आपने देखी, जब एक बोफोर्स गन फायर करती है ना, उसके आजू बाजू के 10 मीटर का इलाका जो है ना, आप लोग सब हवा में जाते हैं. उसका मतलब यह है कि उसमें से इतना एनर्जी निकलती है उस गन में से कि यू गो अप. आपकी नाक, आपके कान, आपकी आंख, सब जगह से पानी निकलता है व्हेन यू आर फायरिंग. फायरर के मुंह से तो और नाक से पानी निकलता है, बट दुश्मन फट जाता है, क्योंकि जब एक इसका गोला गिरता है सो 100 मीटर बाय 100 मीटर का एरिया जो है वो मिट्टी हो जाता है, राइट? नाउ व्हेन यू आर इन सच अ लोकेशन वेयर यू आर अनेबल टू ईट, no water, no food, I don't know for how many days, what do? It's not that कि आप छोड़ देते कि तुम मरी क्यों, पति क्यों हो? No, That's not how you live your life. Why is this being shown? All these soldiers, all those officers, they are working in adverse conditions. Temperature adverse, food nil, water zero. The only thing you have is your arm and your ammunition and your mental robustness. मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा, देख लूंगा. It is said so. ये बोला जाता है कि मैं कमांडो हूं, 2 गोली मुझे क्या लगी, 2 गोली तो मैं रजनीकांत की तरह ऐसे तोड़ के फेंक दूंगा. 2 गोली 4 गोली कुछ नहीं होता. And if you leave your mental robustness, you collapse in a whisker. You are just gone and you are gone for good. I am showing this to you not to pat on my own back. I am not here to blow my own trumpet. I am showing this to you to tell you that these people who are there in the combat uniform are one amongst us. And the only difference is they are mentally so strong, किसी को कुछ नहीं होता. कुछ नहीं मतलब कुछ नहीं होता. कितनी ही लड़ाई करवा लो आप, कितनी फायरिंग करवा लो, शरीर को कुछ नहीं होता. This body is time tested. 7 days of no food, no water, nothing happens to these bodies. We live in this land of Gujarat, wherein we have seen enough Jain sadhvis and enough priests. You know, the Jain priests, they don't eat for days. कुछ होता है उनको, कुछ नहीं होता. It is a time tested body and it is strength which is here. नंगे पांव वो लोग चल के यात्रा को जाते हैं. कुछ होता है, कुछ नहीं होता. Just about nothing happens. They walk and go. Nothing happens. What am I trying to say is, I am not telling you to become a Jain sadhvi. No. I am not telling you to become an army guy. No. I am telling you to have your mental robustness. Yes, if you join the armed forces, you will make yourself proud. You will make your parents proud for sure. But the baseline is mental robustness. Right? Great. So this was Har Maidan Fateh and the video therein. Let me go further. What does it say? Adversity. Yes sir, so I can say one blue shirt. What is adversity? Adversity होता क्या है? कुछ तो होता होगा. क्या होता है? बोले आप बोलेंगे तो मजा आएगा.
To tackle anything.
हाँ, adversity मतलब इस टाइप का सिचुएशन जहां पे सब कुछ गड़बड़ है, right? That's an adversity. What it says is, not definition is not fortunate difficulties today I fell down from adversity. So adversity is pandemic है, बाहर नहीं जा सकते, काम भी करना है, पढ़ना भी है, बोर्ड एग्जाम भी देना है, करियर भी बनाना है. That's an adverse situation. To come out successful of it, don't lose your heart. That is what it is trying to say. That's Sheryl Sandberg. She's trying to tell us something. 5 ways, yes, determination, take responsibilities, take negative feedback as a gift. Very interesting. Somebody says that तुमको तेरे को तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है. Amazing, beautiful. Learn from it. Your question, your answer is wrong. Amazing. Learn for it. Don't go down. Right? That's what it says. Focus on your strengths and identify new goals. Absolutely. Again, some of those photographs. You can find myself standing in front of my shelter in that snow. That's me, by the way. The photo is not very clear. I just put it just to show it to you. Let me show you something very interesting. Let me go ahead and show you. I hope it comes. Yes, Navy SEALs का बड़ा one-liner वो है. The only easy day was yesterday. कल तक जो बीत गया बहुत अच्छा था. सबसे easy day था. आज पता नहीं क्या होगा. Right? So that's a very famous line of the Navy SEALs. Human spirit. What is human spirit? Let me ask somebody there. The one in red T-shirt, please. Yes, sir. Without the mask. You have to raise your hand. Yeah. Please raise your hand. Specs. Up. You are the one. Please raise your hand. Left. Behind the green shirt. Yeah. That's it. What is a human spirit? Can you be loud enough? मैंने आपको पकड़ लिया है. You have to tell me your name. Parth. Lovely Parth. What is human spirit? Parth is caught. Yes, please, anybody want to sit, Parth, chill, relax. What is human spirit? Anybody?
A power of consciousness.
Amazing. It is your gut. It is your self. It is your self gut के मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. That's my spirit. What it says is, human spirit is a component of ह्यूमन फिलोसफी, साइकोलॉजी, आर्ट, नॉलेज, ये सब इंग्लिश है. व्हाट इज स्पिरिट इज मैं, और मैं ये कर सकता हूं, और ये मेरी स्ट्रेंथ है, और ये मेरे को आता है, ये मेरी स्पिरिट है. राइट? वी से ना कि बी पॉजिटिव यार, डोंट बी नेगेटिव. Right? That's what is a spirit we talk about. Yes, that's within me. Right? What it says is the human soul. A lot of things being spoken. What it says the human spirit includes my intellect. It includes my emotions, my fears, my passions and my creativity. ये सब को आप जब मिश्रण करते हैं, उसको हम spirit बोलते हैं. Why am I showing this to you is, be strong from the human core gut perspective. Everything comes down to strength, and everything comes down to being strong enough, and that's what we are going to be, that's what we are talking rather the whole time. Let me go ahead onto this and let me show you something interesting. I hope it comes. Just give me a moment. Yeah. That's Aristotle, that's fine. I am not going on to that. Success and discipline is all interlinked. Success and discipline. Yes, let me check with somebody interesting. Yes, the one in the pink track. Yes, please. Yeah. So, how do you integrate success and discipline? In दोनों में क्या वो है? Linkage क्या है? Sit and answer. Please be relaxed.
डिसिप्लिन में हो गए
हाँ. What is discipline?
सब टाइम पर करो
हाँ जी, absolutely. Leading a disciplined life, getting up in time, studying in time, sleeping in time, eating in time, right? A self-control is something you can define as discipline. Can you also say that if you are disciplined, success will be easy to achieve?
Yes.
Yeah. अगर आपका एक काम करने की पद्धति, प्रोसेस, डिफाइंड तरीके से आप कर रहे हैं, because body is a machine, आप उसको अच्छे से कर रहे हैं, obviously success is very easy to get, right? And if you think कि मेरे को ये करना है, you will 100% achieve it. That another thing is very beautifully, you know, it is most of the times it is neglected, but be very very strong in your spirit कि मुझे यही करना है, वो होगा ही. You will achieve that. That's what I'm trying to show in here. Well, I go further. Bill Gates, yes, Bill Gates is a very renowned brand, I will say. He's more than a human being. It's a renowned brand who has tasted success to such a level that he is now become a brand. He's bigger than being a human being. Let me show this to you. Let me tell you something more. When we talk about grit, when we talk about determination, when we talk about success, the center one is yours truly. वो मैं खड़ा हुआ हूँ बीच में. On to my right, that is on to your left, you see an officer. His name was Captain Nikezaku Kangaruse. You can see his name there. प्यार से हम उसको नीबू बुलाते थे. He is a Mahavir Chakra awardee. Unfortunately, no more with us. On to the right of you, on to my left is a brigadier now currently serving in the army. Let me tell you about this left gentleman, Captain Nikezaku Kangaruse. I am trying to show you his photograph here. Firstly, he is a hero. Nobody of us know. We only know Akshay Kumar. We only know Karishma Kapoor. He is a hero who got us one of the points, which is the peak black rock in Kargil. What did he do? All of 22-year-old, 23-year-old, probably when he did it, he was 22-23 साल का नौजवान, Captain Saab in the army, a Naga warrior, a Naga Adivasi. Right? We got trained together. I was very fortunate to be trained with such people with such high grit and spirit that there was so much to learn. You know what he did? This guy single-handedly killed some 16 Pakistani soldiers to get that peak back to us, which was captured by Pakistanis. And being an Adivasi himself, his ammunition had run out. उसका गोली बारूद उसके पास खत्म हो गया था. He was wearing those high snowshoes. He was climbing up this peak. The peak was, he was climbing up on all fours. वो इतना स्टीप क्लाइंब था कि वो ऐसे चढ़ रहा था। शायद मैं उसकी जगह होता तो मैं नहीं चढ़ पाता, बट ही क्लाइंब्ड ऑन ऑल फोर्स। उसने जूते उतार के फेंक दिया इन बर्फ। ही क्लाइंब्ड अप, ही किल्ड 8 guys with his hands, 8 Pakistanis with his hands. क्योंकि वो एक नागा आदिवासी था, he used to keep his knife with him. बाकी 8 के उसने गले काट दिए छुरी से। He had no ammunition left, and the last guy, the Pakistani, eventually lobbed a grenade and he got killed by a grenade. We lost this beautiful officer with so much of grit. Now, where does it come from? कहां से आता है? It comes by self-training. Nobody can come and train you to become positive. No, nobody. You are your own trainer. You are your own teacher. This you will have to develop. No parents, no teacher can develop this. You have to develop. How will you develop? By own determination, by your own training. And the day you get so well trained, you will always succeed. There is no other way you will fail. If you read the statement, in the last letter he wrote this to his father, wherein he says, Dad, I may not be able to return home to be part of our family again. When he was climbing up, when he was launching the final operation, उससे पहले ये चिट्ठी लिख के अपने यूनिट में छोड़ के गया, even if I don't make it, do not grieve for me, because I have already decided to give my best for the nation. What was his age then? 22. Right? He died at 22. A very good friend of mine, a wonderful Nagaland guy from Mokokchung, saying that at 22 years of age. This photograph is probably when we were 21. A year later he passed away. Right? So, again, the intention to show you my photo is not that I am a hero. But yes, I am standing with a hero, and you see that abbreviation MVC. He is a Mahavir Chakra. The second highest wartime award after Paramveer Chakra is Mahavir Chakra, and he is a gallantry awardee. One district in Nagaland is in his name, and such is the deed of a human being that they immortalize themselves into bigger than a human being by their acts, and that acts, those acts, they are all mental acts, right? Learn from small things. Read about such people. You will get rejuvenated in life. क्या था उसमें? Another 2 years, 3 years. By the time you graduate, you will all be 21, 22, right? This photo is way back of, I am showing this to you, this photograph is 1998. And this particular incident is 28th June 1999 when he passed away. So this was taken about a year earlier. This is from the military academy in Dehradun. This photograph he clicked in there. And this grit, this determination, this spirit, you have to elevate yourself and become that level human being. The day you do that, you yourself will be proud on you. आपके माँ बाप, आपके रिश्तेदार, आपके teachers, सब आप पे proud होंगे. And please strive to become one such in your life. Don't become a commoner. बहुत है हमारे यहाँ पे 130 करोड़ की आबादी, सब commoner है. Stand out. Do good, and do good for you, do good for society. When you become good, start giving it back to the society. Be a good human being, and that is something which you have to train yourself. That is something you have to strive for, right? Well, that was it. That's again of Vijay. That's of Parakram. This is after, probably you all may not have been born, probably must just have been born. 2001 Parliament was attacked. Post that we were all deployed to be getting into Pakistan, sometimes in way back in 2001. Nothing happened. And with that we end with one conviction, that in our times, whether in GSFC University and beyond, we will all become good citizens. We will all do good for ourselves. We will be mentally strong, and we will become better citizens and better human beings to make our parents and professors proud. With that, thank you so much and Jai Hind.